you know?
What do you do for marketing? What is the most effective? Like you said, a pay-per-click and SEO marketing. Is that what you guys do?
Yeah, but we're like 90% private pay, you know? So I don't want to I don't want to misconstrue like how, like I would hate to say, because I mean, we spend, you know, at least $1,500 a month. And you know what's funny? Like in our one market here, we spend $1,500 a month, and Google will only spend like maybe 1,000 of it. Like, because like there's just not enough like people searching for it, you know.
Right.
But my home care budget, if I spend $1,500 a month, gets eaten like that, you know. So
Yeah.
it's just again like, how do I get more people to search for Adult Day? I got to go out there and tell them about it, and then their friends got to tell someone else about it, so that they know what it is, so that they can even search for it, you know. But I would say, like, you know, we've got a really robust CRM system that we've like really perfected over time, and then, you know, we definitely spend the majority of the money goes to Google Ads, you know. And the rest is like those things we made on that list. I mean, that really is the order we use. But yeah, I mean, I know it's an uphill battle. You know, it's like an uphill battle, but eventually there will be that, like, you know, that downhill, like, you know, there will be a day where the other businesses become an uphill battle, and then Adult Day becomes like the easier preferred solution, you know, especially as an owner. But it's just, you know, we do have a lot of headwind to face, so.
Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me. If you'd like to learn how to open your own adult daycare center, go to adcpro.com. If you'd like the latest business tips, click here, and make sure you subscribe to our channel. Click here. We'll see you guys next time.